So have you been making videos on YouTube and you feel it's not recommended, or you feel your channel is shadow bound? Okay, so maybe there are features in YouTube that you have not actually activated that is making your videos not to go viral. So join me as we go to YouTube to check our setting or to set up these YouTube features. So to turn on this setting, you have to come to your YouTube, you scroll down, you click on your YouTube studio. Okay. So come over to your YouTube setting. Okay, you click on setting and it brings it to this place. You click on channel. Okay, once you get to channel, you have three features here: basic info, advanced setting, and feature eligibility. Okay, so come to feature eligibility, click on feature eligibility. Now this has to be enabled. As you can see, all these are enabled. Now if all these are not enabled, that means there are features in your desktop, in your YouTube channel, that you have not enabled. So you just have to click on them, check. If it's not enabled, mine is enabled. Now you can see that all these are enabled in my channel. So if your own is showing not enabled, that means there are some features in your YouTube channel that has to be enabled. Okay, so you can see all this enabled in my channel: intermediate feature enabled, advanced feature enabled, one setting. Okay, so you can see mine is also enabled. So make sure that these features are enabled in your phone. Now you go over to this advanced setting. Advanced setting has to do with what the setting will turn on whenever we are uploading videos. Okay, so you come over to here, basic info. Now this is very, very necessary for some of us. I never knew of this until recently. Now basic info has to do with the basic info about your channel. Come over to this. Okay, activate your country of residence, then come over to keywords. Sometimes, or most of us, we don't know that this feature has to be activated. Keywords. What are the keywords associated with your channel? Now you can see I started. First of all, you put your name. Now the keywords. What are those keywords associated with your channel? That's what your channel is all about. I focus on passive income ideas, making of ebook, print on demand as a major ways to make passive income. So you can click on here. Now you're typing the keywords associated with your channel. Okay, let me type in one more. Let me assume I type in affiliate marketing, or let's say at Etsy shop, selling on Etsy shop. Okay, am I getting it right? Marketing. Okay, marketing. So once you type this, now you do what? You put a comma. So you can see automatically that sign comes. Now this is how you keep doing until you do get it right. Okay, let me add one more. Etsy shop. Okay. Now you see this. I put the comma and comma. Okay. So you can see once you type in a comma, the distance comes, the sign comes, the time sign comes, and you put in every keyword pertaining to your channel. Now, why do you do this? This will help the YouTube algorithm to identify. I'm deleting this because I've already inputted this in my descent. So these keywords help the YouTube algorithm to identify the things you do in your channel or the topics you discuss in your channel, and this will help the YouTube algorithm to channel your videos appropriately to the right source or to the people that actually needs it, to the right audience. And when your video is channeled to the right audience, you're sure it will be viewed. But once these keywords are not imputed here in the setting, YouTube will not identify what your channel is all about, and your videos will be sent to the wrong viewers. So after doing this, okay, since I deleted, I've done this, you click on save. So the info is saved. So that is this about this. Now we'll go over to customization. Okay, so in customization, you go to home tab. Now when you're at the home tab, you come to add section. You click on this place. Now look at this. From this place up, all these have been activated in my channel. This one, channel trailer. If you look at this, it is activated in my channel. I have channel trailer. So look at your channel. If channel trailer has not been activated, you click on it. Mine is not showing because it's activated. You click on it and you activate it. Now your channel trailer must not be, it might be the most viewed video in your channel, or the video you feel is doing well, or that talks about your channel. You put it, okay. Now that spotlight for returning subscribers, the video you feel that you want your subscribers to always see, you put that. Just like you can see mine now. This is what I have, channel trailer. This is my channel trailer. Now for you, I've also activated my for you. Okay, let me go back. Let's go to for you. Now this is for you. Now you click on for you, you click on more setting. Now you make sure that this is turned on. If you look at this, I've turned it on video. Okay, let's go back and look at it. This is it. You have videos because I turned it on for you. Now go, you have shorts. It is turned on my own. Now if I go back to my screen, you can see that I have shorts. My shorts are this showing, and this is exactly what will display in my home screen. Okay, you still go back to this, and for you, you click on live stream. Now if you are live streaming, if if you are a YouTuber that live streams, now if you turn this on, it will also show. Okay, let's go back to my own home screen. You can see my live stream now. So after you've turned on the video, you've turned on the shot, your live stream, you've turned it on. That's if you have a live stream that you have done. Okay, and I recommend that you often do live streaming, because this will help build your watch hour as new YouTubers or new YouTuber. Now you come to this one, recency. Now in this recency, you have all content recommended. YouTube always updates the for you section with fresh content. Now you have recent content only. Now it is advisable you turn on this recent content only, because if you leave this, YouTube always updates the destin based on fresh content. YouTube might recommend contents that are not current, maybe content that you've done before 12 months. And as a growing YouTuber, you need content based on your current videos within the present 12 months. So it's advisable you turn on recent. Let YouTube recommend your recent video within the present 12 months. So you turn this on. So after you've turned this on, you click done. Okay, and once you click done, we'll go back to our section. So you can see all these ones, I've turned them on. That is why they're not still active. Now live now, I'm not having any live now, so I don't need to turn this on. Past live stream, if I want to do this, I turn this on. It will, you can see it's showing my past live stream. This will show in my destin home tab, but I wouldn't want this to show, so I will go back and turn it off. So I'll remove the past live stream because I don't think, okay, I want it. Now upcoming live stream, peradventure I want to do an upcoming live stream and I want it to show on my home tab, I'll come here and I'll activate it. Now single playlist, okay, so I can click on this to decide any of my playlists. I come here and I click on this, so you can see this will also show in my home tab. Okay, so we'll go back to the add session. Upcoming live stream, I don't need it. Live now, I don't think I need it. Created playlist, you can click on this, activate maybe in the multitude of your playlists, multiple playlists, and subscription, that is for those that have subscribed. So you can decide to activate it. Feature channel, that's, you can decide to activate this too. Maybe any of your channel you want to listen, add this. Okay, so that is it. So make sure that all these features are activated. So after you have activated all these features, you now need to save. You click on publish. So because if you don't publish it, it will not show. So you click on publish here, and if you now go to view channel, you'll see that it should show on your home tab. All this will come on your home tab, so you can see my for you section. These are the section you just activated. You see the videos. This is my shorts. Okay, popular videos. Play this in now. This one has to do with them single playlists. You can, if you can remember, single playlist, past live. Okay, so this is what your home tab will look like for every person that clicks on your channel. Any person, any subscriber that clicks on your channel, this is what they will see first based on what you have customized in your layout. So this would also help to grow your channel and make your videos go viral. So if this video has added any value to you, please do well to subscribe and watch other videos in this channel. Skipping stones and catching dreams.